In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up device space using Dropbox Smart Sync, specifically with online-only files. If you're finding your hard drive a little cramped and want to make the most of Dropbox's capabilities, you're in the right place. We'll be walking through each step to ensure you maximize your device's storage space without losing access to your important files. First things first, let's open your Dropbox folder on your device. Depending on what you're using, this could be through File Explorer if you're on Windows or Finder on a Mac. Navigating to this folder is the starting point for organizing your files and setting up Smart Sync to work effectively. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with where your files are located, as this will make the process smoother. Next, we're going to look at marking files or entire folders as online only. This is a fantastic way to free up space. Find the specific files or folders you want to offload from your local drive, then right-click. In the context menu that appears, you'll want to hover over Smart Sync and select Make Online Only. This action ensures that while your files remain visible in your Dropbox folder, they no longer occupy precious space on your hard drive. Now, you might want to go a bit further in managing your space. Dropbox offers a handy tool for just that. Head over to the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar. Click on your avatar, which is your profile picture, and then select Manage Hard Drive Space. This tool gives you control over how your storage is used by allowing you to sort files by different criteria, such as size or the last time they were modified. Check the files you want to make online only and then click Move to Online Only. Instantly, Dropbox will begin freeing up the space those files were using. There's also a way to set new files to be online only by default. While this step is optional, it can be incredibly useful as a forward-thinking approach. Open your Dropbox desktop app, click on your avatar, and navigate to Preferences. From there, head to the Sync tab. Under New Files Default, select Online Only. What this setting does is ensure that any new files you add to Dropbox won't take up space on your device until you actually need to open them. Finally, remember that accessing these online-only files is as easy as double-clicking. When you do, Dropbox will download the file temporarily for you to use. If you want to save space once more after accessing it, simply right-click and mark it Online Only again. And that's it. With these steps, you should have a significantly lighter hard drive and a better handle on your file management with Dropbox. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy tech tips.